Chestnuts roasting.
Okay, but have you ever actually seen a chestnut? Because I know I haven't, and honestly, their story is kind of sad. So it turns out that chestnut trees actually used to be pretty easy to find in the eastern US. They were massive, 100-foot tall trees that were found from Maine to Alabama, and they were a major food staple. But the number of chestnut trees started declining in the 1800s when an ink disease killed off the more southern ones. Then in 1900, a blight came through and knocked out around 4 billion of them in a 50-year period. It spread so fast that it led the US to create quarantine laws for plants. Now it's almost impossible to find a fully grown chestnut tree in the US, but they're not technically extinct because the disease can't reach the roots underground. So these old roots will put up new growth every once in a while, but that new growth always gets infected by the blight and eventually dies. Researchers are working on ways to grow blight-resistant chestnut trees, whether through crossbreeding or genetic modification, but it's gonna be a while before there are American chestnuts in the forests again. So if you have had a chestnut, it's probably been imported or it's from a different species of tree.